Ping pong. Hoagie. Ping pong.
A monster bird has appeared.
Shiny, shiny, shine my precious treasure. Cleaning my treasures makes me happy. And pranking my friends makes me happier. What's this? A feather? Oh, there are more. Whoa! It's ginormous! Ah, that's it. This gives me an idea.
Quiet mornings. It's the perfect time to play music. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Goodness gracious, what was that? It's so noisy that I can't play my music.
A monster bird has appeared! A monster bird has appeared! Ah!
Nina, run away! A monster bird was spotted over there! A monster bird? So I went to check it out, but the monster bird must have flown off already. I really wanted to catch it.
Catch a giant bird?
This is unusual. You're actually talking about something other than music, Nina.
Huh? It's because that monster bird is disturbing my music time. Hey, listen, I need your help so that I can focus on my music.
Of course! No problem is too big for Ping Pong and Hoagie or too small.
A monster bird has appeared. A monster bird has appeared. Making up lies is so much fun. Huh?
First things first, let's look for clues that'll lead us to the bird.
You got it. Hoi poi Ping Pong! Ta-da!
Hold on. Did they fall for my lie and come here to find the fake monster bird? In that case... All set. Okay, let's start the show. Monster bird! A giant monster bird has appeared!
Huh? What was that?
It came from over there.
A monster bird has been spotted again! Again? Where? Where is it? Hey, are you all right?
Who left marbles out?
Call! Call! If I make monster bird cries, they'll be scared and run away. I'm a pranking genius.
This was all just a prank?
He tricked us again.
No, you're wrong. Well, you got it now. La 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 la. Gotcha!
Oh, that's it. If you play one more prank, you're gonna regret it.
Phew! I can't let one slip stop me from pranking. It's time for my grand finale. When they see this, they'll think the monster bird is for real and flip out.
Oh, I'm still angry. Why didn't I teach Billy a lesson right then?
Come on, Nina. I don't think he would lie again, would he?
Maybe. Knowing Billy, it might not be the last lie.
One more lie, then Billy's going to be sorry. Now I can finally focus on my music. Let's start.
A monster bird has appeared!
Billy, I can't take it anymore.
Oh, hey! Hold on, hold on. Hey, listen, you gotta help me. A monster bird has appeared.
Oh, Billy, no lies this time.
No, this time it's for real. A scary bird is destroying my treasure chamber right now.
Billy, we're not falling for it this time.
If you keep lying like this, we're gonna get super angry.
Oh, but it's the truth. Forget it. Oh, my treasures.
Huh? Wow.
Whoa.
Billy's acting's getting better. I almost believed that.
What if he's telling the truth this time?
Hey, no way.
Oh.
Hmm.
Not that one, please.
I got it. Phew. What should I do? Huh? Hoagie! Catch! Oh! Nina!
There really is a monster bird. Yo, monster bird! If you leave quietly right now, then all is forgiven. This is what you get for pestering my friend!
All right!
Phew.
That could have gone really wrong.
You know this was all because you lied, right, Billy?
I didn't mean to cause so much trouble.
No more lies! Huh?
Once or twice, I'm sure it's okay. Just a little fun, it's okay.
Never, never, it's not a game. It hurts their feelings when you tell a lie. One turns into two, two turns into three. They keep getting bigger, lies, lies, lies. Ay, 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 it's not okay. Ay, 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 to tell a lie. Ay, 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 it's not a game. Ay, 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 no more.
Once or twice, I'm sure it's okay. Just a little fun, it's okay.
Never, never, it's not a game. It makes people upset. Lies, lies, lies. Ay, 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 it's not okay. Ay, 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 to tell a lie. Ay, 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 it's not a game. Ay, 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 please, no more lies. Billy, didn't I tell you that I'd make you sorry if you played another prank? But the bird's gone now, and nothing terrible happened. So, no harm, no foul.
Phew.
You're a great friend, Nina. Got it! Ta-da! It's Nina's Cube.
From now on, no more lies.
Oh, really?
Just for today. Tomorrow, get ready for my all-new prank.
Billy! Get back here!
Search for Hoagie on YouTube.